Bangabandhu the father of the Bengali nation, as well as the four national leaders who dedicated themselves to building our Bangladesh. I pay more humble respect to the thousands of golden children of my country who sacrificed their lives and gave us freedom and a free country, one the soil of which we are singing the song of freedom today. Millions of salutes and salutes to all the freedom fighters. With that, I would like to thank our Honorable Director, Mr. Shaful Islam Sir, for organizing such a beautiful event. Our Honorable Chief Guest, special guest, and the respected teachers, all the parents present in today's program, and my beloved students, brothers and sisters. All of you, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Alhamdulillah, today we are very happy. We would like to express our special thanks to the wonderful chief guest and special guest for coming to our small event. I hope you feel usual. I'm also good with your prayers. Now, I'm introducing myself. I'm Muhammad Abir. My father is Muhammad Mujibur Shakar and my mother is Mrs. Saeed. I'm a student of the standard class in this school. I'm very proud that I'm a student of this school. I wish success to my dear school. The audience, you will be glad to know I am the first person in my family to go to an English medium school. I would like to special thanks my parents, Papa and Mama, and my respected teachers for supporting to me. Their presence today we are gathered in a small informal gathering. My humble respect to the parents of the world, including my parents. May every parent be well. I'm asking our parents to pray for me. May every parent live for thousands of years. Honorable guests, education is one of the basics of life and one of its necessities. There is no substitute for hard work and education for success. Dear brothers and sisters, dear fellow children, we must hard work and study. That's why we want to plant environment. We all need to contribute this purpose. Me, you, and we. It is our duty. Because when we realize the importance of light, when we see darkness, and this darkness can be removed only through education. The presence will know that education is the power. There is no alternative to education to improve the nation. So, we want to put education environment to make us a civilized nation. So, we want a good education. Now, we are very young. We want to be not only educated, but good educated. We want to be the world of the country in the future. And for that, we need the right environment for education. Honorable guardians, that is why you send your child to the right school and right way, so that your child can develop into a good person and devote himself patriotism because we love our motherland. Honorable guardians, finally I humbly request you, please visit your school and send your child to a school. I hope your child gets a good learning environment. We are fully committed. We will make your child an asset, inshallah. Wonderful audience, I will not retake the speech wishing long good health and long life. It is cherishing and expectation and thanking everyone again. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you next time and talk again. Inshallah. Best of luck. Allah Hafiz.